Guys, you're welcome back to the Chimadi Educated Video Channel. This is one of our videos on video editing for newbie YouTubers. If you are creating videos for your YouTube or whatever for online courses, and you're a beginner, these are not advanced trainings. These are for beginners. So in this video, I'm teaching you on how to do auto captioning on Capcut. If you're just new to all of this stuff, the first question you must have asked now is, what is auto captioning? No, I'm not going to talk about it. So by the time we start doing the practical, you learn what it is, and you're going to appreciate it. Now, you can do this auto captioning whether you're dealing with a headshot video or any type of video, and it's always good for marketing. But remember, this is a beginner's guide, not the advanced one. Now, and I'm going to use Capcut as an editing tool to do this. So we're going to go to Capcut right away. If you are new to this channel, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. We'll do a lot of training videos like this, and they are all free resources you can, get to master and improve learning and digital skills. So I'm going to encourage you to subscribe to our channels. Now let's go to Capcut. Now, I have a video I already want to auto caption. In this Capcut, it's a headshot video. Like I said, you can use other kind of videos. It must not be a headshot. Now look at the video. This is a video. It's a headshot of just 3 minutes. I've just prepared. Let's go and see. Because it's just a basic tutorial, I may not talk about everything, but I'm going to talk about something so basic, so that if you watch this video, you at least will be able to get something from this. So I click on this video because I want to edit it right now. So this is the video. I want to edit this video with auto caption. So the first thing I'm going to do, immediately I open this video, you can see all of these things down here. Edit, audio, mention them, all of them. You have edit, you have audio, text, overlay, and all that. I'm going to click on text. You're going to click on that text. That's what you are going to do is there. So I click on text. Now, having clicked on text, I'm going to see art text, stickers, auto caption, and all that. I'm going to click on auto captions. Now, when you click on auto caption, you're going to see audio, video. Automatically, actually, the system will put it on video. Leave it that way because that's what you want to do. That's what you need. So you now click on generate. Look at the percentage is running. It's going to run to 100 and generate it for you. After it generates, that's not the end of it. We're going to still tell you the next thing to do. The system says caption generated. Now let me play this video. Just let me play it. I want to play this video by clicking here right now. Let me play the video and see what happened. Good morning, Nigerian teachers, wherever you are. Happy midterm break. I know the kind of work we do, we need some time to ease off and prepare to go again. Do you notice what is happening? Do you notice the captions? But it's still small. This is where you have a lot of work to, because you are editing your work. You can put a lot of things now. Now, the next thing I want to click on batch edit. You can see batch edit down here. I just want to click on it because there's something I want to do. Now, this batch edit, the reason why I want to click on this is for you to take your time and correct the spellings. When you are talking maybe as a Nigerian, the way you are pronouncing certain words, system may be interpreting different things. So you have a work to do right now. Now I say good morning, Nigerian teachers. Oh, it's perfect, good. Wherever you are, happy midterm break. That's what I said here. But look at what the system said, happy mids and break. So I want to click on it to correct it. Happy midterm break. I've corrected it. I say, I know you know the kind of work. will do. Look at it again. I know, you know the kind of work, and this is work, as in W-O-R-K. We do, we. You take your time to correct this. We need some time to ease off. That's what this one says. We need some time so you can take your time and do this, because if you don't do it, you see the system is saying something else because of the way you're pronouncing these words. I'm prepared to go again, so please, it's a very short one. I want to encourage everyone and all that. So once I am done with it, remember, I'm not going to finish doing all of this now. It's going to distract the essence of this video. So once I feel I'm done with correcting all of this, I click on this check whatever. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I want to touch, all of this. Let me quickly go again. Let me just go back. Another way to go about this is, let me show you something. Do you know why this first two whatever has no caption covered? Because if you look at those areas, there was silence. I said it. Good morning. Sorry. So because there was silence, what will I do? I might decide to split it. I want to cut it off. There's no need leaving it. I don't need that silence. So I click on split. I will split and delete it. So I click like this. I click on split. I splitted this. Now, having splitted this, I jump this and I click on delete. I've deleted that first part that wasn't talking. I don't need it. So my video starts. Good morning, Nigerian teacher. I've seen it. So that's it. You see, the editing is going on right now. Now, I can also edit this thing caption by caption. When I say caption, you can see the system I divided. This is a caption. This is a caption. This is a caption. And that makes it easier for me. I click on one caption. Okay? No, sorry, not that. I click on this caption. You watch it. I want to edit it. Let me just look at it. Good morning. I can edit caption by caption to make it. This one is okay. I now look at the second one, Nigerian teachers. And this is the best way to do your editing work for caption by caption. And that's okay. Wherever you are is correct. This one, happy midterm break, is correct. Are you getting it? I can do all of this one after the other. And that helps me. Now, having done that, good morning, Nigerian teachers, wherever you are, happy midterm break. I know, the kind of work we do, we need some time to ease off and prepare to. Now, having done that, the next thing I want to do is styling. Are you getting it? I want to work on this whatever. Now I click on style, where I can have the font size, the whatever, and all that. Now I make choice of fonts. You can see there are a lot of fonts here, like this one. Are you seeing it? Am I choosing it? Not only font type, I can choose font styles. Look at the styles. What of the font sizes? Look at the size. I can increase this size. Are you seeing it? I'm increasing the size of these fonts. I can increase a lot of things. I can increase the background of the font like this. And I want it to be, now watch. Everything I'm doing now, I may decide to do it for each caption. Or I might want it to apply to all the captions. This is already checked. But if I want it to do for each caption I'm dealing with, like a happy midterm break, I will leave on tick this apply to all captions, know that I'm doing it for that particular one, because there are sometimes in video editing, especially for marketing videos, you may need to highlight certain captions. It's not all. You don't want to do certain things on everything, but some captions may be the real area you want to make a point. You have to work on it. So in that case, you are not going to say apply to all captions. You just do what you want to do. So I've increased the size of this, touch the background. Okay, let me choose this other background. I can touch a lot of things, stroke, glow, background, shadow, a lot of things, and all that. You understand? So there are so many things you can do right here. Once you are done, you can also go into effects. You can go to animation. You can see effects. I seen it, how powerful these things are. You can go to animations. You can go to bubbles and get all your look. But let's see what I've done so far. Let's see what it's going to look like. Since I increased font, you can see it. Now, I'm having a red background of this my text. Is it fine? Is it okay? Is it good? And so I'm going to ask myself all of these questions. If I think it's not good for me, I'm still going to work on this. Now, I go back again to style. I feel that this font, let me go back to font. Okay, let me go back to style. Decrease the size of this a little. Use this. I don't want to use that red anymore. Effects. Okay, let me use this. So once it comes to this place, that's where your own brain comes into play. You can do a lot of things you want today. I see this, I'm prepared to go again. You've seen I'm using the color. And to me, this is so sharp. This is good. Now since it's covered everywhere, let us test what we've done right now. Let us test it. So, good morning, Nigerian teachers, wherever you are. Happy midterm break. I know the kind of work we do, we need some time to ease off and prepare to go again. So please, it's a very short one. I want to encourage everyone, if you're a Nigerian teacher listening to me right now, I'm inviting you to a special training program. Now listen, before I conclude, the best way most times to edit each caption is as you are watching, listening to the voice and reading what's on the screen, those captions, you make correction instantly. Like now, at this spot, I say, I'm inviting you to a special training program. Okay, that's cool. Okay, let me continue. Training program. You see? What we call AI for educators. Okay, what we call AI for educators. Look at it. So I'm going to correct this by clicking on this caption that I have it. What we call. So what do? I see it. What we call AI for educators. What we call this is what I wrote, not what the system is 2.0. That's what you see the system just talking about. That's exactly what I wrote. But it says something else. Look at this. 2.0. Please, this program will be for 2 days, just starting this evening today and tomorrow. And by Monday or Tuesday you resume again. Please try to use this period to acquire a lifetime skill. It's a skill that can help you. Try to use, are you seeing it? Try to use this period to acquire a lifetime skill. Look at what the system is saying. Try to use this period. This period, not this spirit. The spirit. So I say this period to acquire a lifetime. I seen it. You make your corrections. You see what I'm just doing right now. So this is another best way, because you are playing it and seeing what the system is writing. Immediately, anyone caption that writes something that's not what you have posted or what you intend to have up there, you quickly click on it and correct it instantly. I am moving and all that. That's exactly how this stuff works. And if you still want to reduce even the size of this, look at this. You can drag it in, zoom it in. I see it. I've zoomed it in. That's it. I see it. So you can do a lot of adjustment while you are still facing your screen. And now I go. A lifetime skill. It's a skill that can help you. A digital skill that can help you. That's what I said. Not what is writing for me. A digital skill that can help you. You see what the system wrote? So I'm going to correct it. You see, I've corrected that one. And that's how you do. By the time you do, your work is perfect. Now, have you noticed, you are seeing my face because this is a headshot. I don't need to show my face. I can use, maybe this particular thing we are doing here is so good for marketing videos. You see all those marketing videos? As you hear the voice of someone talking and images are showing and you have seen right up, working in tandem with this voice. And you're wondering, what is the magic here? How can somebody be saying the voice is going on together with the... all this is just a simple editing work. And this is just the basics. You're going to see something finer when you go to the advanced editing with Capcut and other editing tools. But this one basic. So just take it away that I'm not showing my face now. I'm just advertising a product. As I'm showing that product, I'm writing something about the product, and you are hearing voice that is tallying exactly with the write-up and the voice tallying. And that's someone sat down and do that thing the way you are saying it. And that is it for you. So that's what editing is all about. At this moment, we call, auto caption. And it's very good. You can see how wonderful it is to have auto caption. And not only that, for even those of us who do YouTube videos, you know why auto caption is very wonderful? There are a lot of people, like the deaf and the dumb people, they don't hear what you're saying. I get it. You recorded the video, they are not hearing it. The only one they can benefit from your video is all these auto captions. So they can't hear what you're saying, but they are reading what is on the screen. So that thing they are reading is what shows them the exact thing you are saying. So in that case, you're already helping them. Yes, they can watch a video, and when you use these things for your videos, you have more video views and audience watching your video, because what? There are many dumb and deaf out there. If they see that you don't have auto captions in your videos, they're not going to, because they can't help themselves out. They can't hear you. So everything you are saying there, they can't hear. So the only way they can benefit is through all of this. So if you don't have it, the tendency of those people not being part of your channel is there. So you're going to be losing out from some people that could have been there for you. So this is why it's very important. And what you see us doing in our class, what we call YouTube for Educators Crash Course, we're still doing stuff like this. And we're still going to do a special class on Capcut video editing. And that could be free, whatever. So what we're telling is, if you're an educator, and we're doing this for teachers for now. So if you're a teacher, you watch this video, make sure any of these training programs coming on, whether paid or free one, be part of it and learn as much as you can learn. We'll do more free training. So don't be scared of, they have come again. We'll do more of free training. And so you can benefit from all this. We have the one of Canva going on, and it's still free. So acquire all these skills. And one way you can help yourself is by subscribing to this channel. You don't just subscribe, you also hit that notification bell. The reason why you do that is so that anytime we release a video, you will have the notification that there's a new video. And you watch it and acquire that particular knowledge immediately. And as I'm stopping here right now, if this video has made sense to you, please don't rush out of this channel without liking this video. And do way to share it. When you do that, you're helping your friends out there, and you're also helping us to grow. That's one way you can benefit us. If you want to join our ongoing classes, AI for Educators, and so many other classes, please let us know from the comments box. And you're going to be part of our ongoing classes. I wish you the best as I stop here this moment. Thanks for watching.